Miss Athargaman from the Department of Economics 6th semester. From the 22nd to 29th April, the Don Bosco College has celebrated the Earth Week under the Bharat Environment Program. So this initiative is brought by our own Eco Club and Green Alliance. So on my right, you can see the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. And from my left, we will see the Green Alliance policy, or you can say promises that our Don Bosco has given us on 31st January 2022. Now let's hear from our teachers. Ask you, why do you think we should promote sustainable development?
Sustainable development basically says that the present development should not basically harm the future generation. That means we should not develop, we should not actually do our industrialization or other aspect, okay, at the cost of the future generation. So that means it has to be balanced. Okay, that is basically the environmental concern and sustainability thing. After that, basically we are receiving the sustainable development. That's all.
What comes to your mind when you heard the word sustainable development?
See, today we often talk about development, growth, progress, like better road, better building, better infrastructure, better technology, and also a modern lifestyle. But also at the same time, with this progress, with this growth, there are lots of problems that we are facing, like climate change, pollution, deforestation. So this is where the idea of sustainable development becomes very important. So in a very simple term, sustainable development is meeting the present needs without harming the ability of the future generations' future generations' need. Okay, our region, especially in Arunachal Pradesh, in northeast, we have been blessed with rich resources. Like we have rich forests, rich rivers, rich biodiversity. But at the same time, what we see today is we are losing, slowly and gradually, we are losing in all these resources. And that is because of the unplanned development, because of too much waste, and also the people, they are not very aware of the sustainable development. So here I would like to say, as individuals, we can contribute towards this sustainable development. Like we can reduce the use of plastic, we can save water, we can spread awareness amongst the people who are not aware of it. So I would say that the sustainable development is everyone's responsibility, not the responsibility of only government. And also I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the members of this Green Alliance and Eco Club. Okay, Green Alliance and Eco Club, that you people are doing a good job. The initiatives that you have taken up, like such as plantation drives and the waste management system that you have initiated. You people are doing commendable job, so please keep it up, and I would like to wish you all the very best for your future plan of action.
I'd like to ask, how is waste management done in our college?
As far as I know, there are certain dustbins which has been allocated in the various sides of the campus of Don Bosco College. So these, I think this dustbin is helping out to manage all this waste, which is being collected over here in a very well manner. Because there are different types of waste. To manage those waste, there are different dustbins at there. Like there are biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and biodegradable dustbins at there. I think because of that, you can see there is quite clean environment over here in campus.
How does this college maintain the plastic-free campus?
I would like to point out three things. The first thing is that the college has set up signages across the campus where it is mentioned that the campus is a plastic-free campus. So it's a reminder for the students that they have to keep the place clean, and most of the important thing is that they have to keep away the plastic trash to keep the campus a plastic-free campus. Another thing is that the college has installed dustbins all around the campus, especially in those areas where students sit down with their friends during the break. They have their like snacks and all those things. And usually we know when people take snacks, they tend to create this trash that has got plastic. So the students, they use these dustbins to throw away the trash, especially the plastic trash. And then the third thing and the last one is it is during the assembly. Sometimes the principal, sometimes the vice principals, sometimes even your friends, your students, right? When they give out their morning thoughts and all, many times what they do is they remind the people, remind the students as well as the teachers not to trash the campus, and especially to get rid of plastic.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful answer.